Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will make this custom material in Solidworks. I am using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to Solidworks. So let's open some part. Go to here, browse recent documents, and let's say I will pick this part. So let's say I want to apply a different material which is not available in SolidWorks library like JIS SAPH540. So I will go to my design feature tree. I will select this one, material not specified. Right click and select this option, edit material. Here the JIS SAPH540 is not given. So basically SolidWorks does not allow you to edit a default material like this. Let's say this one is AISI1020. You can see it is not editable, and you have to find a similar material and then you have to edit it in the customize material folder. So let's say I will pick this material, ASTM A36 steel. This one, ASTM A36 steel. Right click and select this option, copy. Now I will go to this option, custom material, and here you can see I have already created two materials, plastic and one is steel. So I will right click in the custom materials and select this option, new library. I will rename it as JIS. JIS is the Japanese inspection standards. So I will write JIS materials and select save. Now I will go to this one, JIS materials, right click and select this option, new category. Here you can make different categories like steel, rubber, plastic, wood, etc. So this one is steel, and under steel right click, and here I will paste the properties of ASTM A36 steel, and now I can edit those properties. So select this option, paste. So here you can see ASTM A36 steel material properties are added here, and now I can edit those properties according to my JIS. So first I will rename it, right click and select this option, rename. This one is SAPH540. 540 basically is the tensile strength. Now I can edit those properties. The elastic modulus of this material is 210 gigapascals. So I will change it to 210. Now this one, Poisson ratio is 0.27. The shear modulus is 82.7 with 8 zeros. The mass density is let's say same, 7850 kilograms per meter cube. The tensile strength is 540 megapascals. Megapascals basically means 10 raised to the power 6. So I will write 540. The yield strength of this material is 355 megapascals. So I will write 355 with 6 zeros. Okay. You can add some more properties like thermal expansion coefficient, thermal conductivity, specific heat, material damping ratio, etc. Okay. So I will save it and I will apply it. Okay. Here you can see the SAPH540 is applied onto this part. This part. You can edit some more things like appearance of this material, the cross hatch, and you can add this material into your favorite materials list. So that's how you can add a customized material in SolidWorks. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.